Afternoon guys and girls. This is one of my first Great Western fag packet HSTs. This is the dummy car, which is 43189. Lots of mixed reviews about these HSTs. A lot of people upset with the branding between the locomotive and the coaches. I personally had to send 2 coaches back because they were defective, but I've now got 8 coaches that are not too bad. But I can agree with some people with the colour between the locomotive and the coach. So this is a little video just to show you with roads and rails sound fitted. So we'll now start up and show you what happens. Really nice Valenta sound pack this is, by Lego Man Biffo. Reason I'm showing you the dummy car is because at least now we can give it some beams, but it's obviously going to stay stationary. What a wonderful sounding power chip. Probably would have gone for a bit of a louder speaker. Lesson learnt, but on the next one we'll be fitting a different speaker so that sounds a bit louder. But at the moment I think that's a nice comfortable volume and you get the gist of that beautiful sound of the Valenta engine. We're now going to be putting a speaker into the other car. This is the speaker. Obviously quite small. Probably would have preferred a mega bass speaker, but like I say, on this occasion I've learnt my lesson. But we can always change the speaker over at a later date. So at the moment that is much better than the 2 Hornby ones that are fitted from factory. So thanks for watching guys, and I'm now going to get on with the other power car.